Last time I worked on the Impreza, I got the middle part of the new fender installed. It's just tacked in a few places. The technique that I'm going to use to finish this is I'm going to use the cutoff wheel on the angle grinder to make some cuts and shrink parts of the fender. Like this front part, it's too vertical. So to shrink that and get it to start to curve, I'll take a little bit of the metal out, which will cause the whole panel to curve. And then back here in the back where it is too curved, I'm going to add a little bit of metal by cutting, clamping, and then filling in the gap.